Give
me your half, your side.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Is the video on?
Video's on.
Okay. Okay, there we go. We're in one story. Let me get rid of it. Okay, now can you see, does it look level?
Yeah.
One, two, three. Okay? Now we'll find out what happened. Did it break? Go ahead and let's examine. You can bring the video camera up and around and everything. If you want, take pictures.
Let me turn it off.
Because 10 of those things is 5 pounds. Each one is about a half a pound on weight. And go all the way around, you know, of all the stories that might be of interest. So we're going to take it off, and we're going to do to that what we did with the other one. We're going to use the 50-pound weight, we're going to break it. And that way it's its own internal control.
Take the top, floors off, and then just use your 50-pound weight.
And the bottom floor's off too.
What?
Because we want that thing, we want to do to that thing what we just did to the other one. Because an internal control is a more accurate picture than an external control. That way it matches itself. This is the experiment, the control comes later. See, we did an external control before. We did the control and it broke. We can't use that in an experiment because it's broken. But this one we used in an experiment and it didn't break, so now we're going to do it as its own internal control. You follow what I'm saying?
Just do it.
I don't see anything that broke.
No, I don't think it broke. No. So that. E1. That's if this one works. If not, are you ready? Is it clear? Yep. Are we rolling?
Yes.
Well, looks like we're at 60%. Unless that one did it, I'll go to 55. Does it look like it? Did you hear anything crack?
No.
I'm going to pick it up. Do you see anything down there that looks cracked?
I don't know.
Not that you see offhand? Okay. All right. Is the video on?
We're rolling.
Same deal, huh?
Okay, experimental 2. This is experiment 2. We're just repeating what we did before.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay, up. Okay. Out with this. Let me grab this. Now, take a look and see if it looks steady to you.
Yeah, it looks steady, but it could be a little higher. Okay.
1, 2, 3. All right, come on around with the video camera. That's E2. I don't see anything that did anything to you.
The rejection of the hypothesis.
The second hypothesis is that all the energy is distributed at the collision front. What we're showing is that the energy is not all distributed at the collision front, obviously in a multi-tiered structure. Obviously it's distributed at the collision front when you have only one thing down below there and you drop 50 pounds on it, it's all concentrated right there. But here it goes all over the structure, up and down, and that's why you don't see the thing cracking.
What? Isn't it that you just made it too strong?
I made it too strong by making it multiple tiered, which is what you do when you build a multi-tiered building properly. This isn't even a proper multi-tiered building. Just by making it multi-tiered, you increase the strength to impact, to be able to absorb impact. That's what I'm saying. At least the impact of the building, you gotta see that. See, this weight has to fall on the board, and this weight has to fall on this weight, and this weight has to fall on that weight, and this weight has to fall on that weight, and all these things are absorbing some of that energy. You with me? Okay. We rolling?
Yes.
Yep. Am I level?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay. And again, we're blowing out plastic here. Okay. E2. What a waste. E2. You see it from other angles here? You want to see it in any?
No, pull it apart again. Same spot as last one.
Yep. Okay. Okay, I can try it. Yeah, maybe we can do that. The most important thing is I want it to look symmetric, so you got to look and make sure that I'm even before I drop it. Okay, are you ready?
If you lift it up, I can just put this in there as a measure.
Okay, and then you got to see that I'm level as I drop it. Is the video going?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here I come.
Okay, set it down here. Lift it up a bit.
You ready?
Lift up just a bit. Okay. Alright.
1, 2, 3. Okay. That's 3. Go ahead and look around. At the end, we're going to crack all these ones that we're doing experiments on.
Okay. At the end.
Yeah. You can see it's E3, you can see it in there.
No damage.
Okay. Looks pretty intact. Okay. That's good. You can stop her anytime. Okay. Does that look level?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay, something just hit my piece of plastic here.
It's
Just hit my leg.
the outside over there.
Yep.
So hang on, let me
Here's your piece of plastic there, plus the weight of the extra 5 pounds on the tiers. E2. Here, I'll take that off in a minute. You can look at it from other angles. E2. Okay. That's E3.